fold, roll, or bundle? Is there a best way to pack clothes? Yes, and for expert advice, we've asked the cabin crew for their ideas. After all, when you fly 24/7, you know a thing or two about how best to get it all in. So, where to start? Lay everything you want to take out on your bed or the floor to make the job easier. Once you see how much you want to take with you, be brave and eliminate about a third. Because the truth is, like your wardrobe, you never seem to use as much as you take. And that will make the job a whole lot easier. Here's how to do it and arrive with as few wrinkles as possible. Start with your shoes. Stuff underwear or socks inside to both hold the shape of your shoe and use every square inch of space. Footwear packed heel to toe makes an ideal foundation layer. Once your shoes are firmly in place, fill awkward gaps with very soft items such as t-shirts, jerseys, socks or tights. The idea is to try and create an even layer. If you can roll any of the items, even better. Interleaving bulkier items such as jeans, suits, skirts and dresses will minimize creasing and maximize space. Here's how to do it. Lay out the first garment with one end inside the suitcase and the other end draping over the edge. Now put the next item on top of this, but place it the other way round. Continue in this way, layering all items and alternating the edges inside to get another even layer. Finally, one by one, fold the garments back in. Don't include your collared shirts in this process. We'll show you how to pack these shortly. Now we need to create some magic space. Throw a bag from the dry cleaner on top of your packing. Due to its slipperiness, the clothes will naturally adjust underneath to fill the pockets of air that may be trapped between all those folded layers. Next up, non-clothing items such as toiletries, books and cameras. These awkward-shaped objects should be placed towards the middle to give maximum protection. Remember to double bag your toiletries to ensure stain-free clothes and gunk-free cameras. Top tip: instead of rolling belts up, save space by slipping them along the inside edge of your case. Place those beautifully folded shirts we mentioned earlier on top as a final layer. Rather than stuffing the inside pocket of your case with all the bits you forgot to pack, use the hard shape of the case to offer protection from creasing. As an extra trick, leave your toiletries kit in your suitcase when you return home, so it's ready for the next time you travel.